Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a fun little code example which teaches uppercase and lowercase and also conditionals. So first of all I'm going to create a scalar variable. Let's just increase the font size on that. It's going to be scalar name 1 and I'm going to assign that a name, something like Bob, as in Bob the Builder. Okay, the next one, scalar name 2, which is going to be Bill. Bill's his mate. There we go. So we've got two scalar variables. And now we're going to get some user input. So I'm going to create another scalar variable called my name. I'm going to assign that to prompt, which will grab the user input, and then we're going to tell the user what to do. Enter a name. Okay. So now we're going to come on to the conditional to evaluate things. So if scalar name is equal to the scalar name 1, so if the name that we enter into that box is equal to this name, Bob, we're going to do something. We're going to execute some code. So let's say hi, so we'll say hi, and then we're going to join it with this character here. That's going to be scalar name .uc uppercase. Right, let me just make that look a little bit more better, a little bit neater. Okay, and now we're going to use the else if. Else if that's not the case, then the name. Else if the name is equal to scalar name 2. So if somebody enters in the name 2, which is Bill, again, we're going to do something. We're going to say, again, hi, and then we're going to join this, or concatenate it, with name 2. Oops, made a mistake there. Name 2 dot LC, lowercase. Right, okay, so I'm going to have to change this. I'm going to make this uppercase here. So then we'll change it to lowercase. Or else, if that's not the case, we're going to print out another message. Who are you? Right, so let's say the first one equal to 1. Okay, so it's going to this name 1 is in lowercase, so it should change it to uppercase. Name 2 is in uppercase, so it should change it to lowercase. All we have to do now is call the program. No, we don't, because I've not written a subroutine, so we don't have to call the program. So I'm going to run the program in the terminal. Raku test.raku. Okay, we're going to hit enter. So enter a name. Let's say I'm going to enter Bob. Okay, so we've changed Bob here to uppercase Bob. Okay, let's just clear that. And what we're going to do is we're going to run it again. Raku test.raku. We're going to enter a name and Bill. Okay, so I'm going to enter Bill here. And there we go. Bill has been reduced to lowercase. Okay, let's run the program one more time. I'm going to type in Steve, who's not in here. Who are you? So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you found that useful. And remember, as always, to make sure you give it a big thumbs up and take 1 second of your time to hit the subscribe channel. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.